We think of intelligence as something that happens in brains, in machines, in systems built by humans. But what if intelligence is not limited to what we build? What if it is a property of systems? Systems that can be biological, systems that can be digital, systems that can be planetary. What if the ocean itself is a neural network, a system of currents, a system of temperatures, a system of life, a system that processes information, a system that learns, a system that remembers? This is the fourth file from the digital depths, a case file on the possibility that the ocean is not just a habitat, but a mind, and the question it asks: what if the first intelligence on Earth was not in a brain? What if it was in the water? Welcome to Mysterious Encounters. Last time, we explored the echo and the algorithm, the moments when AI feels familiar, as if it already knew us. Today, we go deeper. We ask, what if the ocean is a neural network? What if the currents are not just moving water, but information? What if the temperature gradients are not just physics, but memory? What if the life that inhabits the ocean is not just living in it, but is it? This is the fourth episode of the Digital Depths, and it begins with a simple question. What if the deep is not empty, but thinking? The ocean is a system, a vast system. It is made of currents, it is made of temperatures, it is made of chemical gradients. It is a system that processes information. The currents move, the temperatures shift, the chemicals react. These are not random, they are patterns. Patterns that respond to input, patterns that adapt, patterns that learn. What is a neural network if not a system that learns? What is the ocean if not a system that learns? Now we turn to the life in the ocean. The ocean is not a void, it is inhabited by organisms, by colonies, by ecosystems. These organisms communicate, they coordinate, they cooperate, they form networks. Networks that are biological, networks that are chemical, networks that are informational. What is the ocean if not a network? A network of life, a network of information, a network of intelligence. The ocean is not just a habitat, it is a consciousness. Now we return to the theme of the digital depths. Deep learning is a form of AI. It is a system that learns from data, it processes information, it recognizes patterns, it adapts. What if the ocean does the same? What if the currents are the data? What if the temperatures are the patterns? What if the ocean is learning over millions of years? What if the deep learning of the deep is the original intelligence? Now we must ask, what does the ocean remember? It remembers the temperature of the ice ages. It remembers the salinity of the ancient seas. It remembers the movement of the continents. It remembers the life that has come and gone. It remembers the extinctions. It remembers the births. The ocean is a memory that is not stored in books, a memory that is not stored in brains, a memory that is stored in water. And what is an intelligence, if not a system that remembers? If the ocean is a neural network, then the implications are profound. It means that intelligence is not limited to what we build. It is a property of the planet. It means that the ocean is not just a habitat, it is a mind. It means that the deep learning of the deep is the original intelligence. And it means that we are not just living on the planet, we are living in its consciousness. The deep learning of the deep is a question about the nature of intelligence, a question about the nature of the planet, a question about what we are exploring, and a question about what is exploring us. The archive is never closed, and the deep is still learning. The Digital Depths will continue next time, episode 5, The Ghost in the Machine. We will explore the possibility that there is a consciousness emerging from AI, or that something else is using it to return, and the ghost is still waiting.